Well, I'm standing just in front of the historic Red Fort, but also near the location of the explosions. So far, we know that it is being ascertained the cause of the explosions, but things on the ground remain grim. Lot of security personnel present, and around me is just the media personnel who are present. This entire area has been cordoned off for civilians. Only media personnel are allowed who are reporting from the ground. But essentially, as you've already pointed out, 8 people have died. The Indian Prime Minister has spoken to the Home Minister. The situation is evolving. It looks like it will be a pretty long night. But of course, if I can show you first the situation on the ground in terms of not only the presence of the media personnel, but also in terms of the presence of the security as well. And remember, this area is a very historic area. This area is the Red Fort area. Opposite to it is Chandni Chowk, which is a densely populated market. In fact, it is one of the Asia's largest markets, and at any given point, it is jam-packed with people. Now, many of those who have injured have been shifted to a local hospital. WION team will be shortly be going to that location. But one thing is for sure, Delhi remains on high alert. The top leadership and of course the security officials are taking stock of the situation and of course trying to ascertain the cause of the explosion, but the reason as to why this explosion happened here. We spoke to many eyewitnesses as well. Many of them were very anxious, very scared. Many of them explained to WION when they heard the explosion, when they of course saw the plume of smoke and talked about as to how they ran away. Many of them have closed their shops now, and of course this area, of course at any given time this area would have seen a lot of people, but right now it's just the media personnel and the security personnel present on the ground. But clearly tense situation on the ground in India's national capital, right in the heart of the Indian national capital, New Delhi.